Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block phone number by setting call not reachable. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First, you'll probably notice that you can just turn on airplane mode, and that will mean nobody can reach you. Basically, your cellular is turned off, nobody can call you, it will go straight to your voicemail. But this is a kind of quick solution that blocks everybody from calling you. But if there's a specific person that you want to block, you can go to their little phone number here and tap the little I. And the best way to do this is just to block this caller. So I can go block contact, and what that does is if they try to call you, it won't even show up that they've tried to contact you at all on your phone. And basically you would even notice that they're able to get a hold of you. So that's a really quick and easy way. If you want to go back into settings, you can go into phone here and then scroll down to block contacts. Here you can see the list of numbers that I block. You can actually just go in the bottom and go add new if you want to just type in somebody's phone number that you want to block. But this is a really good way for it to make it so that there you're basically unreachable for one specific phone number. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.